Sometimes when the text is visible, it doesn't really stand out. And this is a prime example. This is not part of the template and is part of an evolving area. As we can see, we have all this lettering here that looks okay, but it doesn't really catch the eye. Whereas on another page, the content does catch the eye and it stands out. So when I look at something like this particular page, I might look at doing the following. We have in this particular page, or rather post, the product here at the within Elementor. We have the option to look at the actual content of the product. So here we have lots of nice content, which is great. And we have our tags there, which we can make full use of. And we have our SEO on the left hand side. Again, we can make good use of that. And we've got our product image, which nothing wrong with that at all. Nothing wrong with that at all. So here's the key bit. I'm using Woocommerce-woobuilder template here, and I've got the option of looking at adding this as a single product. And in this particular instance, I think I might go for a full width. Look what happens when we update the page. So if I just move myself slightly to the side there, we can update, which is what we do. And if I then go into the actual viewing of the product, let's see how it's changed. Ladies and gentlemen, there's quite a lot of nice information there. We've got a review, we've got the discount, we've got the prices, but the key bit is the content is standing out. Now you may have an instance like this where something's not really standing out and you want it all to be uniform. If you use a template, a product template builder that you like, that you can set it up nicely, you can set all those pages or all those products to look similar and to stand out to the viewer. My name's John Ferris and I'm currently looking at one of my own sites, as you can see, just to make it stand out a little bit better to my customers. Thanks very much indeed for watching this particular video.